Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Share Location Unavailable on iPhone. All right, so let's begin with the video. Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where your share location is unavailable on your particular iPhone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, a big thing you're going to have to remember is if you're getting this type of pop-up, or really any type of pop-up like this, the main reason why something like this ends up happening is because you might be having some sort of location errors when you're going through and sharing your location. So make sure your location services are enabled. We can do this by making our way over into our settings application like this. Then what we're going to want to do is we want to go scroll down until we see privacy and security. So we want to go and basically scroll over till we find privacy and security. And then what we want to do is under location services right here, we want to make sure our location services are enabled. If this is disabled, like it is right now, then our location services are just not going to work. So go through, make sure you have this turned on. And that's basically the main thing you can do to kind of start off with. Number two, you want to make sure your internet connection is enabled. So go through and make sure you have your cell connection or your Wi-Fi connection completely enabled, because that's going to be another very important thing that I recommend doing here as well. On top of that, you may have to go through and enable Share My Location. And you can do that by going back into your settings application like this. You want to tap into your name that's at the very top portion right up here. Then under Find My, so there's going to be a Find My option, which is right here. You want to go ahead and have Share My Location, which is right here. You want to make sure this is enabled. If it's still not working, you might want to go through and try updating your iPhone. So come back inside of your iPhone settings, click on General, click on Software Update, and try software updating your iPhone. And that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Share Location Unavailable on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.